This is the 2023 Nissan Z at the 2021 Japanese Classic Car Show, and this is the performance trim level for the new Z. The Z features the VR30 DDTT V6, which features 400 horsepower. It's available in either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission. The performance model that you see here features upgraded 19-inch wheels and a limited slip differential. The car features retro styling cues from the Datsun 240Z and the 1990 Z32 300ZX's pill-shaped taillights. It's hard to see in this photo, but the blue car features this blue interior. Unfortunately, they didn't open the doors, so I couldn't get a look at the interior itself, and the ropes were kind of hindering. The car goes on sale spring 2022 with a base price of around $40,000. The performance model shown here, I believe, starts at around $45,000, maybe topping out at about $50,000. Thank you for watching my quick look of the 2023 Nissan Z at the 2021 Japanese Classic Car Show. If you liked this video, you may also like to watch some of my other JCCS videos from previous years. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to StickShiftStudios.